Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to prevent message previews on Telegram web using the latest update. If you often use Telegram on your computer and want to keep your messages private, this quick guide will help you stay in control of what pops up on your screen. Let's get started. First, open Telegram web on your PC and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look toward the upper left corner of the screen. There, you'll notice the familiar 3 dots icon. Click on it to open the main menu. From here, select Settings. This section lets you customize different parts of Telegram, including notifications, privacy, and how messages are displayed while you're online. Now, inside the Settings menu, find and click on Notifications. This is where all your alert and sound preferences are stored. To turn off message previews, simply look for the option labeled Message Preview and uncheck the box next to it. That's it. Once unchecked, Telegram will stop showing the first line of incoming messages in your notifications. This small change makes a big difference, especially if you use Telegram in public places or during work. You'll still receive messages as usual, but no part of the text will appear in the preview, keeping your conversation safe from prying eyes.